Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for life science. First, thoroughly understand your curriculum and identify all key topics. Next, create a realistic study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject area. Ensure you gather all necessary textbooks, notes, and supplementary resources before you begin. This structured approach will help you cover all material efficiently and effectively, setting a strong foundation for your learning journey. To truly grasp life science, engage in active reading by summarizing complex concepts in your own words. Utilize diagrams and flowcharts to visualize intricate biological processes, making them easier to remember. A powerful technique is to explain topics aloud to yourself or a friend. This reinforces your understanding and highlights any gaps in your knowledge. These methods promote deeper learning beyond simple memorization. Regular practice is crucial for success. Work through past exam papers and various practice questions to familiarize yourself with question formats and time constraints. After practicing, identify your areas of weakness and dedicate extra time to reviewing those specific topics thoroughly. Consider forming a study group to discuss challenging concepts and gain different perspectives, enhancing your overall comprehension. As exam day approaches, prioritize getting adequate rest and maintaining a healthy diet to ensure you are at your best. On the day of the exam, a quick review of your key notes can help refresh your memory without causing undue stress. Remember to stay calm and confident in your preparation. Also, for a smarter home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.